Hello home buyers, we're going to talk today about getting an FHA loan for a townhouse. Now a townhouse is a little bit different than a condo, and you do have association fees like you would with a condo, but you have more ownership of the land. And FHA treats townhomes just a little bit differently. You don't have to have the entire townhome complex approved like you do with a condo complex. But your home your townhome that you're going to buy does need to get approved, does need to be inspected by an inspector, and does need to get approved. Now, applying for an FHA loan and getting approved for an FHA loan for a townhome is going to be the same as it would be for a single family home, in the sense that your income that you can document is going to be evaluated, your credit scores, your other debt on your credit reports, your DTI calculation. All of that is going to be the same. Your HOA fee is going to be added into the calculation as well, because most townhomes do have an HOA, and that just means you're going to qualify for a little bit of a lower mortgage amount because you have an HOA. Hopefully your insurance will be lower, hopefully your taxes will be lower than a single family home. But that's for you to determine when you're speaking with your real estate agent and you're shopping for homes in your area. So if you'd like to get a quote to purchase a townhome, or if you have one in mind and you need a pre-approval letter, just follow the link down below to the first pinned comment to FHALenders.com. We'll help you there. We'll get you a quote, pre-approval letter, so you and your real estate agent can shop for townhomes this weekend. If you'd like to refinance, we can help you to do that too and lower your rate and your mortgage payment. Thanks for watching today, everybody. I hope you have a great day.